Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures.
Timo stands at the edge of a cold lake holding his little boat. The water ripples as the breeze brushes across the surface. Timo wants to paddle out, but he feels unsure. An important word becomes useful: reluctant. Reluctant means not wanting to do something because of doubt or fear. Timo takes a deep breath and slowly places the boat in the water. He climbs in carefully, even though he still feels nervous. After a few paddles, he begins to smile and enjoy the ride. His fear fades as he grows more confident. Timo remembers that being reluctant means feeling unsure at first. He learns that taking small, brave steps can help him overcome fear and try new.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.